Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to easily sync your Apple Watch with Fitness Plus. It's a great way to track your workouts and stay motivated. First, make sure your Apple Watch and iPhone are updated to the latest software versions. Open the Fitness app on your iPhone and tap on the Fitness Plus tab at the bottom. Now, select a workout that you'd like to do and tap on it. You'll see an option to sync with your Apple Watch. Tap on the Connect button and follow the on-screen instructions. Your Apple Watch will now sync with the workout on your iPhone, displaying your real-time metrics like heart rate, calories burned, and more. Once the sync is complete, start your workout on your iPhone and your Apple Watch will automatically track your progress. You can glance at your watch to see how you're doing during the workout. After you finish your workout, your Apple Watch will save all the data to the Fitness app on your iPhone for you to review later. It's that simple. Now you can easily track and sync your workouts with Apple Watch and Fitness Plus. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.